How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Virtue 1 dash light. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Virtue 1 go into your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug. And then you'll also see your sync cable here where you can sync multiple units as well. Now let's get this unit hooked up to power and go over some of the functions. So today I am going to be using my optional SIG plug. So I'll go ahead and connect my cigarette lighter plug to the connector here, and then plug in my cigarette lighter to the cigarette lighter port. And then I have my on-off switch here, and then I have my flash pattern changer, so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like, and then I can turn my unit off and back on, and you'll notice that you'll have memory recall. And then you also have your steady burn override feature here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, you'll notice your unit will go to steady burn, so you can easily access that feature off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring an amber unit with me today, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in single and dual color. So let's go over a couple of those options. So here I brought a red, blue, dual color model. Now on these models, your white cable will be your color mode changer. So you'll simply tap that to a positive connection, and you'll see I can switch between color mode A, color mode B, and color mode AB here. So you can easily switch between those color modes by tapping your white cable to a positive connection. And then here I brought a green unit and a clear unit as well. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in single and dual color models. So I went ahead and attached my optional windshield visor here, and then you'll see that we have our surface mount end caps as an option, and we do have the ability to weatherproof this unit if you need to exterior mount. And then we have our 90-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the backtrack of your unit like so. And then we have our 360-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the side of your unit with the replacement end caps like so. And this bracket does rotate 360 degrees if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then this bracket also doubles as an L bracket as well. And then we have our static headliner bracket, and again this will attach to the backtrack of your unit like so. And then we have our adjustable headliner bracket, and the difference here is you can adjust your unit forward or backward if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then again this will attach to the backtrack of your unit like so. So you'll see that we have plenty of interior and exterior mounting options for your unit. So that covers all of the features of our Virtue 1 dash light. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.